Hi friends, good afternoon. Continuing our earlier discussion on how to sell more in workshops and webinar, this is the second part of the video where I will be teaching you how you can increase the conversions in your workshop and webinar. Earlier I talked about that to sell more in workshop there is a four-step formula. Introduction, content delivery, sales pitch, and fourth is your Q&A session. Now, yesterday I talked about introduction. The introduction consists of three parts: the welcome part, big bold promise, and the expectation setting. Now, I have already discussed this welcome part. Now let's move on to the part 2, that is the big bold promise. What it is and why it is important for you to emphasize on this part. But first thing first, always remember to keep smiling and keep your energy high. No matter what, keep your energy high, keep smiling and keep giving positive vibes to the attendees. That itself will play a very important role. This is a very minute point, but it will help you sell more. So keep smiling and keep giving positive vibe. Now coming to the big bold promise, what does this mean? First of all, here you will tell the attendees that at the end of the program you have an upsell to offer. That is, you will, whether it is a course, whether it is a 30-day challenge, anything. Why it is important? See, people who have come to your workshop, they are mature. It's, I can understand that, but still when you sell anything, tell them beforehand that, dear friend, I am giving you value in this webinar, but the entire value cannot be summarized in 2 or 3 hour webinar. So for those who want to continue their journey, who feel like, yes, I am the right coach for them, I'll have an course to offer you at the end that will help you fast track your journey, help you get more results. But there is no compulsion to buy. Only those who resonate with me, who like my vibe, they will continue, they can continue their journey with me by enrolling in my course. And those who do not enroll in the course, I respect you, I honor you for showing up in this webinar, and as a bonus for giving me your valuable time, I will give you a special free bonus. This is important. This, whatever I have said, this mentioning is very much important. First of all, it will ease you mentally that if I start selling at the end, what will people think, what will they say, how will they judge me? So all these kinds of limiting beliefs in your mind, that oh my god, who will buy, whether they will buy, they will not buy, what they will think about me, ये भी बेचने की बात कर रहा है यार, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. So all these doubts will get removed. You will feel calm and relaxed, number one. So it is important that for you to deliver your content delivery top notch, you must be calm, and to be calm you must do this. That is, the address the biggest elephant in the room and tell them that you have an upsell at the end, and there is no compulsion to buy. Those who like it will buy it, number one. Number two, think from the perspective of the attendee, that they have joined your workshop and webinar. Even though they know that there may be an upsell, but you have expressed yourself honestly, you have nothing to hide. And remember, my friend, people value honesty, because in this world it is difficult to find honest people. So when they come to you, you honestly tell them that I have an upsell to offer, but there is no compulsion, of course. So when you tell them this, they realize that yes, this person is honest, he is honestly telling what is there, he is straightforward and honest. And those who get attracted to your message, they will come to you. So it is important to address this big elephant in the room, that number one, you have the upsell to offer. Second thing, coming to the big bold promise. Now those who, after this, second step is before starting the workshop, you will ask them, okay, now let's get started. But before we start, I want to make a promise to you. Those who attend this workshop sincerely and participate, I promise that I'll give you 10x more value. Now this thing varies from workshop to workshop. For example, in mobile numerology, my coach, he asked that what is your level of understanding of mobile numerology or numerology if you rate it from 0 to 1, 0 to 5, 0 being the lowest and 5 being the highest. So he says that, because it is a free webinar, he says that कि those who are in 0 category, I promise you that at the end of the workshop you will be either in 1 or 2 category. I promise you, you will be in 1 or 2 category, number 1. And the training that I am going to deliver today, people will charge you at least 4,000 rupees for this. This is the, and that value I am giving it free to you. This is the big promise we make, that the value I am giving to you, its market value is at least 4,000. I am giving it you free. And if you are in 0 category, no knowledge, you will not be a beginner now. I will shift you to 1 category by giving the knowledge. Similarly, these things, this is how you make the big bold promise. Similarly, my mentor earlier used to sell landing page domination. So the big bold promise he made, that if you stay with me, I will give you 10x value that will blow away your mind, and 10x value that for which people charge 20k, and it will blow away your mind and clear all your doubts. So somewhat like this you need to do the big bold promise, what help they will take. Or you can also say in mobile numerology, I'll share the exact blueprint how I start designing a lucky mobile number. This depends on niche to niche, but you have to make a big bold promise. Okay, now coming to the third part, that was of the introduction. Welcome, big bold promise and expectation setting. This is comparatively easier. Here you show a slide and divide the entire workshop into 3 phases. In phase 1, they will learn ABC. In phase 2, they will learn DEF, and phase 3 will be Q&A and more. The more part includes sales pitch. You will not directly say the sales pitch, but Q&A and more. The more part will be your sales pitch. That's it. That's the expectation setting. And then you will ask for the permission. So let's get started. Are you all excited? Type yes. They will type yes, and you will start your webinar. This was the introduction part. I hope I added value to you. So keep commenting. It motivates me a lot to add more value to you. Take care. Bye bye.